Alright guys, welcome back to the video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy S10. Let's get started. Alright, so the one I have here with me is the S10 in actually prism green, and this is the Exynos variant. So it only works in the SEA region, as you can see here. Let's go through the specs pretty quickly. So the one I have here is the 128GB model here, and this one is a dual SIM variant as well. So these are the key specs you can see of the display. It's a 6.1 inch full rectangle display with Quad HD Dynamic AMOLED panel, which is fantastic. We also have a triple camera setup at the back and one single camera at front. So it's the dual pixel variable aperture camera, the 12 megapixel camera, and we have an ultra wide camera as well, and as well we have the 12 megapixel telephoto camera. Yeah, 12 megapixel telephoto camera. And the front we have a dual pixel 10 megapixel autofocus selfie camera with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner at the front. Right, other things we'll go through later. So let us just unbox it pretty quickly here. It's already cut. This seal is already broken. Oh no, it's not. Let me get a knife. Got the knife and cut it open over here. Done, and here we go. Whoa, this is the S10 in prism green. Whew. Whoa. Initial impressions, it's very light. I thought it's gonna be quite heavy, but it's damn light. So I'm gonna put this aside for now and see what else do we get in the box. Right, so let's focus on the box first. So we do get the travel adapter. So I think this is the fast wireless charger. It's fast charging adapter here. Let me see the wattage. Looks like this is the same one. It's a 9.0 volts at 1.67 amps. So it's indeed a fast charger. We got the OTG connector here if you want to transfer data to another device. Very convenient. So what else do we get? Looks like we got the this is the USB Type-C cable. Let me just open this. Here we go. This is the Type-C cable in white. So let's take it out. And here we go, Type-C. Right, pull this aside, and then what else do we get? The AKG earphones in white. So it seems if you got the green or the prism white, you'll get a white accessories here. But if you got the black one, you'll get the black color AKG earphones with other black charger as well. So it's the same one and it's braided, you can see. Let's put that aside. And I think, oh, where's the manual actually? Oh, I think it's here. Oh, there it is. It's at the back this time. It's kind of interesting. So yeah, and let's see what else do we get in the manual. Oh, there's the SIM injector too, obviously. So we got a tab here to pull the SIMs, so we can tear off the cover here. Oh, we do get a cover. Whoa, this is new. So it's a hard cover, you can see. It's not a TPU one, it's a hard plastic casing for the S10, and we got, oh, this is nothing, just a case cover. What else? I think quick start guide, warranty information, and so on, and regional log guide, and oh, some promotion with Samsung Pay, and how to switch your Galaxy device from another device. All pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna put all these things aside and get to the device. Alright, so now we have the device itself. I've moved everything else away so we don't have to get in the way. And now here is the S10. You can see we have that punch hole display. And yeah, we're going to remove all the plastic first. So let me just take off the plastic. Whoo! Gone. Whoa, look at that, man. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So I think we have some plastic over here. Let me just take out all the plastic. Right guys, so we indeed have a screen protector already pre-applied, as you can see over here. So they already give a screen protector, so you don't have to worry so much. So let us actually give you a physical overview. So we do have the USB Type-C port here, the primary microphone, the speaker grill, headphone jack, if you're wondering, is missing, is still here. We have the volume, is the power button. Over here is the Bixby key, and it's now remappable, which is good. We have the volume rockers. Over here we have the SIM tray, secondary microphone, and that's it. At the back, triple camera setup here. As I said, we have the ultra-wide angle lens, telephoto lens, and the zoom lens. So yep, nice setup here. And we have the fingerprint scanner, the heart rate monitor, and the flash at the back. And over here we have the auto focus selfie camera, 10 megapixel camera here. And yeah, the fingerprint scanner is embedded here. So let us boot it up for the first time. 3, 2, 1. Give me haptic feedback, and S10. So let's just wait for it to boot up. So it is booting up. You can see for the first time, starting Android. So this is the initial setup, and there we go. So this is the start screen. Let me just choose my language pretty quickly. Alright, let's go. Oh, it has a voiceover, but I'm going to turn it off. Let's check out. Okay, agree to all. Actually, accept these 3. Thanks. Whoa, immersive display. I really can feel it. Alright, I'm going to get my data from the older device, so I'll be right back once I set up my device and get everything ready to go. So I'll be right back. Now we already moved to the part where we can set up our security method. So I'm going to use the fingerprint because this is new. We got the embedded 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner in this device, so I'm going to try it out here. So let me just enter my pin pretty quickly. Right, so now it's asking me to scan the fingerprint, so I'm going to place it over here. So harder, seems alright. So it's pretty easy. Oops, make sure I cover the sensor, it says alright. Put everywhere on my fingerprint wherever I can. Alright, that's it, need a full scan. So still have to reposition, so done. So done, let me just add one first. Right, just a sec. Alright, I'm gonna enable all this. No, this one turn off. No. Right, done. Alright, let me review the apps. Okay, finishing touches, almost done. Get recommended apps. Okay, let me sign into my Samsung account pretty quickly. Signing into my Samsung account, and let's just untick all the optional one. Done. And I think we're almost done. There we go. And there we go, guys. So this is the setup. Complete the setup already. So yeah, let me just take a look at the version first. Oh, let me just turn that down. Okay, and go to the about phone, software information, and we're running on the Android version 9.0. You can see Pi, and this is running on the One UI version 1.1. So yeah, it's the latest. And yep. So guys, that is the setup and the unboxing of the Galaxy S10 in Prism Green. So I'm gonna be doing a full review of this device. I'll be putting my SIM inside and getting everything set up. So thank you guys so much for watching this quick unboxing of the Galaxy S10. Stay tuned for the full review, and peace out.